We will pay dearly, I put it to you, for the way we negotiated with our teachers. Mr. President, in 2020-2021, resignation 723 teachers. In 2021-2022, resignation 1,310 teachers, almost double. The impact isn't reflected in the numbers because one teacher is responsible in the secondary entities for up to 160 children. A teacher teaching 4 classes, which is the norm, 2 10th grade, 2 11th grade, is going to have in each class 40 students. So every time you have a teacher missing, that is going to be 160 students. What do we have now? We have today's date, about 2 months from CXC, that schools are still in the Sunday paper advertising 6 spaces and 7 spaces. And what we have done is to make Jamaica uncompetitive for the services of our teachers, and also that we have increased the intent in the way that the negotiations were handled for our teachers to migrate. This have been captured.